Next, I'm going to explain how to install the ASMAX S1 Bluetooth headset into your helmet. First, you have two installation methods. One is the 3M glue plate, and one is the clamp. If your helmet has a relatively thick edge, more than 5 millimeters, I recommend that you use the 3M glue plate installation method. If your helmet has a relatively thin edge, less than 5 millimeters, you can use the clamp installation method. The helmet I have here is less than 5 millimeters, so I'm going to be using the clamp installation method. First, we can grab our S1 unit and attach it to the clamp base. And attach the base to the left side of your helmet. Once the base is attached to your helmet, we can grab the speakers and the microphone. First, we need to attach the speakers to the microphone. You have to pay attention to it. Make sure that you're inserting it the right way up. Okay, so I'm going to pull back some of the padding in my helmet, and then I'm going to grab the 3M Velcro attachments inside the helmet. Then we're going to grab our speaker unit. One speaker has a short cable, the other one has a long cable. You want to place the speaker with the short cable on the side near your S1 unit. So we're going to place this one on the left side of our helmet. And then what I like to do is thread the speaker with the long cable through the top, underneath the top padding of my helmet, so it's not bothering me when I'm riding. Now we're going to attach the speaker to our S1 main unit. The last thing we're going to do is we need to place our microphone and its Velcro in the front of your helmet near your mouth. So I'm going to take the Velcro, place the Velcro in the front of the helmet, attach the speaker, and the last thing I like to do is hide the cables behind my padding. All right. And once you've done that, you've successfully installed the S1 unit into your helmet. If you want to detach your S1 unit from your helmet, we can unplug the speaker and then press here at the top of the base and slide your unit out, and you're done.